Hello everyone, this is John. It's so nice to see you here again. Today, I'm going to introduce an idea about how to build a huge one-piece precast concrete roof of a building on a narrow construction site. If possible, we always try to build huge one-piece precast concrete panels on the construction site to avoid the transportation issues. However, sometimes the construction sites are very narrow and are surrounded by other buildings. If the building's foundation or support posts are already in place, then there will be no more empty space on the ground to build huge one-piece precast concrete panels. How can we make it happen on such a narrow construction site? Here are some example scenarios. Scenario number 1. When building smaller size of panels. If the size of the precast concrete panel is small, in other words, there is enough empty space on the ground to build a one-piece precast panel, then we can just simply build it in the empty space. And then lift the panel onto the posts to be a one-piece roof. Let's look at the 3D effect. This is an ideal scenario. Let's look at some special examples. Scenario number 2. When posts are aligned like this. In this example, support posts are aligned as a trapezoid, and there is no enough empty space to build a one-piece panel. In this case, we can use some area between the posts. We call this area an overlapped area. As a result, the empty space is expanded and is now large enough to build a one-piece panel. We build the panel using the overlapped area. Then we lift up the concrete panel. Until it reaches the top of the posts. The next, we shift the panel. Until it is in position. And then lay it down on top of the posts. The roof has now been built and installed. Let's watch the animation. Scenario number 3. When posts are aligned in a circle. If the support posts are aligned as a big circle, then there would be no overlapped area as in scenario number 2. Can we still build a huge one-piece panel? The answer is yes, but the solution will be a little bit different. We will directly build the one-piece panel in the same place where the posts are installed. But we will also leave some holes on the panel to let the posts go through. Then we lift up the concrete panel. Until it reaches the top of the posts. Now, we rotate the one-piece panel so that the posts will get away from the holes. Until the posts are on the areas between the opening holes. And then lay it down on top of the posts. At last, we patch the holes on the panel. To make it a perfect one-piece panel. The roof has now been built and installed. Let's watch the animation. The following are the key points of this idea. Number 1. Use overlapped areas to build the huge one-piece panel on the ground. If necessary, you may leave some temporary openings on the panel for now. Number 2. Lift up the panel to the top of the posts. Number 3. Shift or rotate the panel on top of the posts. Number 4. Patch any temporary openings. I learned this idea when I was a little boy, and it has influenced the way I think for decades. Thank you for watching, and welcome to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you next time.